Closing out of what? Of you breaking down?
Alright, so here's my baby. She's picking me up from across the street from the auto parts store. Alright, so here I sit, side of the road, broke down. Yeah, if you guys didn't see the pictures that I posted on Instagram, I had to replace universal joint in my rear axle. I've replaced it before. I've even replaced ones exactly like the one I installed. It went in fine. All the locking pins, little retainer clips went in just fine. On my way home after work, 70 miles an hour in the HOV or express lane. They call it express if you pay for it. HOV if you don't, and you got more than one person in your car. Universal joint came apart. Yeah, not enough to where drive shaft fell, but enough to where it scared the out of me. And now I sit here waiting for a tow truck. So yeah, I'll get back to you when the tow truck gets here. Alright, so I see flashing lights. There he comes. Alright, so there we go, backing up. There we go. Getting her strapped down. Yep. Oh, man. Hey guys, so I actually have talked about some awesome sponsorships and affiliate programs that I am going to be a part of, or that we are going to be a part of. So let's go check out the one for today's video. Okay, so today's affiliate is going to be ToolsToday. I'm going to have the links down in the description. And there's going to be a few different ones. There's going to be a veterans only one. There's going to be a free shipping for any $49 and up purchase. There's going to be a 10% off, and there's also going to be a $10 off. So whichever one you're wanting to choose, go ahead and choose those. ToolsToday, awesome products, and really soon you'll be seeing some of these products in our own shop once we get it cleaned up and back in use. All right, so back to the video. Alright, so we actually came up a little further up the road because, like I said, it's the universal joint in the rear axle that's going bad on this, even though it's one I just replaced. But we needed to get out of the HOV, so with doing that, we got it up here, but now he's going to put the dollies on it because even though it's in neutral, it still spins the drive shaft, and oh man, just making a horrible racket. So we only went maybe a quarter of a mile. Drive shaft still there, it didn't fall out. So, but right there, my hero, Torres Towing, getting it done, getting the dollies put in, and then we're gonna get it up to the shop. Alright, so here we go. I'm at the shop. I'm not gonna show the name of the shop, but yep, getting it dropped off. There we go, getting it unstrapped, getting it taken down. Taco out of commission. But we'll get it fixed up, get it back on the road. It's all right. Like I said, once again, Torres Towing, that's their number. If you're in that area, Hampton Roads, Virginia. right, so definitely appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Fist bump right there.
Thank you
You
very
tell them
much.
who you are, Torres Towing.
Yes, sir.
My
I'm working with Torres Towing. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Call us.
Yeah, my hero. All right. Thank you, brother.
Till next time.
Closing out of what? A view breaking down?
All right, so here's my baby. She's picking me up from across the street from the auto parts store.
Yep.
Yeah, so I went ahead and she put gas in her Jeep, and I'll pay you back for it, I guess. At
It's
some point.
okay.
Love you, baby.
I love you.
Thank you
too.
for coming to my rescue.
Yeah.
So
Had to be the night.
now we're gonna go home, and yeah, so you'll probably end up seeing this after we went live tonight. So
Yeah.
it's cool.
It's all
All right,
good.
well, see you on the next one.
Bye.